Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richie on a Budget. Today I'm going to share with you my top home hack, which is 5 steps to quickly organize a space. I've been watching a lot of home edit lately and it's inspiring me and giving me ideas how to quickly move through a space and just organize and declutter it. So number 1 is to focus on one space at a time. I know in their show, they show that you can do one room like in a couple hours or a day, but they have an entire team helping them. They have like a lot of organizers, like I don't know, at least like 5 organizers and like 2 carpenters to help them build shelves. So they have a lot of help. For the normal average person, we don't really have help. So I think it's more realistic to focus on one space at a time. Number 2, decide your intention for the room. So what is the purpose of this room? What are you going to be using it for? Decide on that first before you start decluttering. Number 3, have those containers ready. I know it seems backwards to just, you don't know what you're going to need yet, but having those containers available will help you quickly organize things. In the show, they have like a truckload of containers and storage containers ready to go, and they just see what will fit into that space. That concept really works because when I've gone into organize and my husband just bought a bunch of containers, he didn't know what's going to work. I was able to just organize that space so quickly because I had the supplies and tools available for me. It motivates you to just get it done because when you have the container there, you can figure out what's going to work versus trying to figure out what you're going to need, because you know what? That's never going to happen. You're never going to go out and buy what you need because it's just too much energy to do that. Number 4 is to take out everything out of that space. So remove all the stuff out of the junk drawer, and you're going to figure out what goes back in. Number 5 is to only put back things that belong in that space. So remember that purpose that you decided for that space? Always remember what it's for. So only put back things in that drawer that will belong. If it's your kitchen drawer and you decided that's only going to be for utensils like forks, spoons, and knives, then that's only what will go back into that drawer. Everything else, put it somewhere else or decide on later, but don't think about it right now. You're just putting back things that will belong in that space, and that's it. And that's how you organize. This is what I personally use to organize little spaces. I've just done like one shelf in the garage, and I made a lot of progress, and it felt good to just clear out the space or have it work more functionally and have it more organized. So I want to share with you some news. I will be speaking at Get Organized HQ, which is an online conference with more than 100 women speakers. The focus of Get Organized HQ is to help you live a more organized and less stressed life. You can sign up for this free online conference in the link below. It's going to run from September 12th to the 16th, 2022. And if you're just hearing about it now and it's past, don't worry because you can still get the all access pass in the link in the description below also, and you'll get lifetime access to more than 100 sessions about how to get organized. I hope you guys will join me at Get Organized HQ. If you like this video, click thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.